Alright, so we're back again with another video. Alright. This time, this video was not really planned. It kind of just happened to work this way. Besides that, I hope everybody's doing good, getting in the holiday spirit, and spreading kindness throughout these trying times. So back to the subject at hand. My Ranger, 2 days ago, I woke up, I went outside, and I seen there was a nail in my tire. Great. Just what I needed, right? Some more problems. Anyway, my plan is to take the wheel off, put the spare on. The only issue here is I don't have a jack to get to that height where the truck sits. I have 2 jacks and they're just regular car jacks and they don't reach that high. So kind of feeling defeated right now. But we're not gonna let that get us down. I'm about to go to Harbor Freight and I'm gonna pick up a 4-ton jack. It's like $250. Yeah. So yeah, I'm about to go outside and measure the truck to see which jack to get. All right. So right up here to the pinch weld is 16. I think with that one jack I was looking at, it had like a 20-inch lift height, so that'll probably be the one. Yeah, so 16 inches from the ground to the pinch weld on the Ford Ranger. We got 16 inches from the ground to the pinch weld, and let me show you the nail. That's it. I don't know how I'm gonna get it off the truck by myself. Sheesh. I was thinking about using my my engine hoist to get it off the truck, but that just sounds so ridiculous. Hoisting my jack. So from the last clip, you guys just saw me struggle taking that heavy thing off the bed of my truck. Literally weighs 100 pounds. I know I keep saying that. All right, so now we're just gonna do the unboxing, and man, let's just start, because I feel like the morning is just getting away from me. Let's go. So I never really changed a tire on a truck, to be real. It's gonna be my first time. That's why I'm so all over the place. But I think it's nothing new. The concept is nothing new. It's just a little minute differences, like pulling the spare tire off under the bed. So we're about to do that right now. We gotta pull out the handy dandy instruction manual. Of course. No? Aha. I wonder how it comes off of there now. So, she's free. I was really hoping it would be one of those other nice frames, but this will do. So now we're leaving Sam's Club, and we got the tire to the tire shop or the tire center, and they're about to patch it up for me for free. I knew I didn't pay that $50 for no reason, that $50 membership fee. So yeah, now we're rolling on the spare. Just gonna wait for the call. Dude said it'll take 15-20 minutes. So let's find something else to do for the time being. Yeah, so now we're about to put the tire back on. Get that spare off of there, it looks so ugly. Yeah, so let's get to it. So I remembered I had this. I bought this a long time ago, still in the box and everything with the wrap. Never used it. It's a torque wrench, and I might as well just go ahead and torque these down to spec since it is my daily. So let's get this thing, see if we can figure out how to work it. All right, here we go. Let's torque these down. All right, that's the sign. I should probably be doing this the other way. That was super clutch.